Hey Londa Loves, first off, if you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also click the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Let's get started. So now it's time to get my workspace ready for the day, guys. I'm a bit of a germophobic, so I sanitize my entire workstation every morning and several times a day. That's just me, guys. Before starting my workday, I typically like to set the mood. I use essential oils by Laguna Moon that you can find on Amazon, and I like the scent Jasmine. I normally put about 6 to 8 drops inside, fill it with water, and set it to medium. I also like candles. I love candles, and I love the candle scent In the Stars by Bath & Body Works. So I just light the candle, and it just relaxes me all day. This is the favorite part of my room that I love. Is my inspiration, Miss Michelle Obama, and some of my favorite fragrances, Dolce & Gabbana, Good Girl and Versace, Vince Camuto, and Issey Miyake. I also get inspiration from this book here. It's called Chanel, with lots of fashion inside, and my product line, Londa Cosmetics. On this shelf, I keep a couple of facial brushes and some of my favorite lipsticks. And I also get my inspiration from this book right here, Bobbi Brown, The Makeup Manual. Then I finish off my room with a quick spray of some Febreze over my bedding so that I end the night relaxed and in comfort. Now it's on to breakfast. I tend to start the day with something light. I like tea and maybe yogurt bowls in the morning. I like the brand Bigelow in the lemon flavor. I like to put honey in my tea versus sugar. I am trying to cut that sugar habit, so I just put a little bit of honey in there and it tastes just fine for me. I also like to start the day with like a yogurt bowl or smoothie bowl. I use the Chobani yogurt in the vanilla flavor, and I usually just open it up and give it a little bit of a stir. Now it's time to add some sweetness to this bowl. I add some fresh cut strawberries, some ripe bananas, and some fresh blueberries to add just a touch of sweetness to this bowl. And lastly, guys, I finish off this beautiful bowl with some granola. I like the brand Quaker. It has raisins, almonds, and honey inside, just to give you just the right amount of sweetness. Look at this beautiful bowl, guys.